have interview prompt. What is your name? My name is Kelly Johanna Poveda. How old are you? I am 28 years old. What is your hometown? I grew up in Rovira, Tolima. Where do you live? I am live in Soacha, Cundinamarca. What is your marriage status? I am single. What is your hobby? I enjoy dancing. What is your profession? I am an administrative science. To avoid your working experience, I worked in logistics company for years. And now I am in a construction company and as administrative business for 5 years. What is your academic background? I am currently studying industrial engineering and UNAD. Thank you.